Well, good evening, and welcome to Dearborn, home of the Ford Motor Company. The F-150 is the world's most popular and trusted truck, and the F-150 Lightning will be the smartest, cleanest F-150 ever.
Today is a good day for Ford, the UAW, and our nation. It now gives me great pleasure to introduce the all-new F-150 Lightning. Let's take a look.
But with its low center of gravity and perfect weight balance, this is the best handling F-150 ever. And it has the fastest acceleration of any F-150. To harness that performance, F-150 Lightning features 4 selectable drive modes: normal, sport, off-road, and tow haul, and is always 4x4. You get revolutionary power, on-the-go, available features like enhanced Pro Power on board, delivers up to 9.6 kilowatts, available at 21 charge points around the truck, including 11 outlets. Intelligent backup power makes the F-150 Lightning your own personal power plant, automatically powering your house for 3 days during an outage. There's storage under the hood like you've never seen before, and a standard full-size bed. Inside, F-150 Lightning comes as a super crew with plenty of room for 5. With enhanced zone lighting all around the truck, you can find your tools or light up your campsite. Available onboard scales analyze your payload, while Ford Intelligent Range pulls in factors like that payload alongside weather, traffic, and towing information to accurately calculate your range. And with Ford Pass, Power My Trip will identify charging routes before even starting your journey. Not only do you get a 12-inch digital cluster, you can also get a massive 15.5-inch center screen running Sync 4A, which puts control of this connected truck at your fingertips. Plus, a suite of new tools like Smart Hitch and Pro Trailer Hitch Assist means that towing doesn't need to be a 2-person job. Dependable and torture tested with an all-new frame which uses the strongest steel ever in an F-150. This is a truck that can tow up to 10,000 pounds up a brutal hill in extreme heat or cold. Rugged underbody protection keeps the battery safe with metal skid plates shielding both the battery and inboard motors from tough terrain. The battery itself is secure inside a waterproof casing surrounded by crash absorption protection with 0 emissions.
We're targeting 770 foot-pounds of torque and just under 600 horsepower. The 0 to 60 for this truck is in the mid 4-second range. It's super quiet inside and so smooth. It's got a totally new independent rear suspension. As Linda said, standard 4-wheel drive and a very low center of gravity because of the batteries. And boy, do we have technology, including a true hands-free highway driving system we call Ford Blue Cruise, with the over-there updates that we call Ford Power-Ups. They'll fix bugs, continually improve the user experience, and add completely new features and technologies. And with the extended range batteries, we put as standard dual onboard chargers that make the charging go really fast. And if you need to charge on the go, you'll have access to the largest public charging network in North America, thanks to Ford. And this F-150 Lightning starts at just under $40,000. And that's before you get your federal or state tax credits. And if you're a commercial customer, we have an F-150 Lightning just for you. It offers the lowest cost of ownership of any truck we've ever made. So that's the end of this show. But frankly, it's just the beginning of a whole new era at Ford.